Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Wood furniture and wood decor have become integral components of modern home decor trends, reflecting a shift towards natural materials, sustainability, and a desire for warmth and authenticity in living spaces. As homeowners increasingly seek to create environments that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional, wood has emerged as a favored material, offering versatility, durability, and timeless charm. The integration of wood into contemporary decor not only enhances the visual appeal of a home, but also contributes to a sense of comfort and well-being. One of the defining characteristics of modern home decor is the emphasis on minimalism and simplicity. In this context, wood serves as an ideal material, providing a sense of grounding and balance. The natural grains and textures of wood add depth to spaces without overwhelming them, allowing for a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Whether used in large furniture pieces or smaller decorative accents, wood introduces an organic element that softens the lines of contemporary design. This interplay between minimalism and natural materials fosters a serene atmosphere that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Sustainability is another key trend driving the popularity of wood in modern home decor. As environmental concerns become increasingly prominent, many homeowners are prioritizing eco-friendly materials in their design choices. Wood, particularly when sourced from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed sources, offers a sustainable option that aligns with this ethos. By choosing wood furniture and decor, individuals can reduce their ecological footprint while still achieving a stylish look. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are conscious of their impact on the planet and are eager to make choices that reflect their values. The trend towards biophilic design, which emphasizes a connection to nature, has also propelled the use of wood in modern interiors. Biophilic design principles advocate for incorporating natural elements into living spaces to enhance well-being and create a harmonious environment. Wood furniture and decor embody this concept, bringing the warmth and beauty of nature indoors. The organic textures and varied hues of wood evoke a sense of tranquility, helping to bridge the gap between indoor and outdoor spaces. This connection to nature is particularly important in urban settings, where residents may feel disconnected from the natural world. In addition to its aesthetic and environmental benefits, wood is celebrated for its versatility. It can seamlessly blend into various design styles, from rustic and traditional to contemporary and industrial. This adaptability makes wood a go-to choice for homeowners and designers alike. For instance, in modern minimalist spaces, light woods such as birch or maple can create an airy feel, while darker woods like walnut or mahogany can lend an air of sophistication and warmth. The ability to mix and match different wood types and finishes allows for a personalized touch, ensuring that each space reflects the unique style of its inhabitants. Textured wood elements are also gaining traction in modern decor, as designers and homeowners look for ways to add interest and dimension to their spaces. The tactile quality of wood can enhance the sensory experience of a room, inviting touch and interaction. From rough-hewn beams and reclaimed barn wood to smooth, polished surfaces, the diversity of wood textures can create striking contrasts and visual intrigue. Incorporating textured wood pieces into a decor scheme can contribute to a layered and curated look, where each element serves a purpose and tells a story. The rise of open-concept living has further elevated the role of wood in modern home decor. As homes become more interconnected, the need for cohesive design elements that flow from one space to another becomes increasingly important. Wood furniture and decor can serve as unifying features, linking different areas of the home while providing a sense of continuity. For example, a wooden dining table can complement wood accents in the living room, creating a harmonious visual connection. This cohesive approach to design fosters a sense of belonging and comfort, making spaces feel inviting and lived in. Moreover, wood has the unique ability to age gracefully, developing character and patina over time. This quality is highly valued in modern decor, as it adds depth and authenticity to a space. Many homeowners appreciate the stories that old wood can tell, whether through the visible wear and tear of a vintage piece or the rich history of reclaimed materials. This emphasis on the beauty of imperfection aligns with contemporary design philosophies that celebrate individuality and personal expression. Incorporating aged wood elements into home decor can evoke nostalgia and provide a sense of history, enriching the overall aesthetic. Another aspect of modern home decor trends is the blending of indoor and outdoor spaces. As people seek to expand their living areas and create seamless transitions between the two, wood plays a vital role in achieving this balance. Wooden decks, outdoor furniture, and interior wood accents can create a cohesive design language that flows from the inside out. This integration of natural materials enhances the overall ambience, inviting the beauty of the outdoors into the home. Homeowners can create inviting spaces that encourage gatherings and relaxation, fostering a deeper connection to their surroundings. The trend of multifunctionality is also influencing the design of wood furniture and decor. As living spaces become more compact, there is an increasing demand for pieces that serve multiple purposes. Wood furniture can easily adapt to these needs, offering storage solutions, seating, and surfaces for various activities. For instance, a wooden bench can serve as both seating and storage, while a coffee table with hidden compartments can help declutter a living room. This emphasis on functionality enhances the usability of spaces, making them more adaptable to the changing needs of modern life. Incorporating wood into decor is not limited to furniture alone. Wooden accents, such as wall art, decorative trays, and bowls, can add warmth and character to a space without overwhelming it. These smaller pieces allow homeowners to experiment with different styles and textures, providing an opportunity for personalization and creativity. By strategically placing wooden decor items throughout a home, individuals can create visual interest and enhance the overall aesthetic without the need for extensive renovations. As technology continues to advance, the integration of smart home features into modern decor has become increasingly common. Wood can complement these technological advancements, providing a warm and inviting backdrop for high-tech devices. For example, wooden frames for televisions or sound systems can blend seamlessly with a modern aesthetic, softening the visual impact of technology while maintaining a cohesive design. This balance between technology and natural materials reflects the evolving nature of home decor, where functionality and aesthetics coexist harmoniously. The cultural significance of wood also plays a role in its prominence in modern home decor. Many cultures have rich traditions of woodworking, and incorporating wooden elements into home design can honor these practices and histories. This cultural appreciation adds depth to decor, allowing homeowners to connect with their roots or celebrate diverse influences. By selecting wood pieces that reflect specific cultural traditions or craftsmanship, individuals can create spaces that are not only visually appealing but also meaningful. The use of wood in home decor is also a reflection of the growing interest in artisanal and handcrafted items. As mass-produced furniture becomes increasingly commonplace, many consumers are seeking unique, handmade pieces that reflect their individuality. Woodworkers and artisans often create one-of-a-kind items that showcase their skills and craftsmanship. By investing in these handcrafted wood pieces, homeowners can support local artisans while also enhancing their living spaces with distinctive decor. This appreciation for craftsmanship aligns with modern values of authenticity and quality over quantity. The fusion of contemporary design with traditional woodworking techniques has also gained popularity in recent years. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish wood furniture and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.